good news. The Bible says in 1 Peter 2 and 9, but ye are, somebody ought to praise it right there. Because in spite of all the things that could have happened, but I am. In spite of the things that looked like wasn't going to work for me, but I am. In spite of the credit score, but I am. In spite of the repossession, but I am. In spite of the illness, but I am. I am that I am. Somebody need to give him praise. Give God praise. Somebody needs to understand. But ye are still a royal priesthood. They tried to bring me down, but I'm still a royal priesthood. They talked about me, but I'm still a royal priesthood. They lied on me, but I'm still a royal priesthood. They didn't like what they saw, but I'm still a royal priesthood. They didn't understand. You see, a lot of times people don't understand. The Bible says, forgive them, for they know not what they do. See, you don't even know. Look at somebody and say, you don't have a clue. You don't have a clue. You don't have a clue. The enemy tried to bring you down and tell you that you never make it. And look at somebody and say, but I am. The enemy tried to tell you that your family was falling apart. Look at somebody and say, but it didn't. The enemy tried to tell you that you never amount to nothing. But look at me now. Look at me now. Look what God has done. Look what God has done. You see, a lot of times we miss that. We're so busy trying to get down to the royal priesthood, the holy nation, and the peculiar people. You missed the first 3 words.
All right. Come on now.
Try to count me out. But ye are. Trying to destroy you with cancer, but ye are. Trying to put MS in your way, but ye are. Trying to put breast cancer, but I am. Trying to make me think I would never amount to anything. But God has a way. God has a way. God has a way. I'm moving on the inside, working on the outside, turning things around, turning things around. Say yeah. Say yeah. That's it. That's it. Because there are some things along this road. Oh yeah, everybody's looking wrong now. Got a tiara on. I got some more shoes over there. Got my little clothes looking wrong. But oh, there been some potholes along the way. But we made it. Come on, give us some praise. We made it. We made it. We made it. You need to hug yourself and say, I made it. I made it. Oh, my God, my God, my God. Somebody bless the Lord. Somebody bless the name of the Lord. Bless the name of the Lord. Name of If there is anyone that desires prayer at this time, you may come down to the altar.